To check your account balance on Splunk, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Splunk account. Visit the Splunk website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Locate account balance information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use Splunk to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance details. Take a moment to review the details provided. This may include your current balance, recent transactions, and any outstanding payments. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your account balance, ensure you log out of your account to maintain security. Click on the logout option in the menu. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Splunk. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.